It is January 14th, 2025, and this is the Shake Shack website. So this is the homepage. I feel like I'm going to be so hungry after reviewing this website because everything looks so delicious. All right, so they have the menu. There's catering, gift cards. There's a Shack store. That's interesting. I'm just going to click on that first because that just sounds like a lot of fun. So they do have, look at that, t-shirts. They have sporty burger socks. There is literally a Shack t-shirt for $38, a crew neck for $68, this hat, $35. Then they have accessories, so we can order food. We can, interesting. So let's go back to order food. Uh-oh, go back. All right, so let's go look at the menu. So this black truffle burger. All right, let me see if I just click on pickup. New York, 46 Shacks in New York. All right, let's pretend we're going to indoor pickup at the Woodbury Commons. All right, so here's some prices. Single is $10.99, add to bag. Delicious avocado bacon burger, let's add to bag. That you can get a single for $10, $10.49, double for $12. Let's get the double for $12.99. And we're gonna get a grilled cheese, $5. You can add bacon for $1.99. Oh, look at these French fries. All right, $4.49, add to bag. They have cheese fries. Let's see what they also have, like a catering menu over here where you can order large order menu. The store we went to, there's values. Our values stand for something good. When Shake Shack started as a hot dog cart in New York City's Madison Square Park, our mission was simple: raise funds for a public art project. Interesting. So whoever's doing the research, you're going to share all this with us, plus more. Okay, so you could read this report. They have stuff here. We enrich our neighborhoods. Looks like they do a lot, which is very nice. Recycle, they do a lot for the community. So there's a lot of information. There's even a blog on the website. These pictures, everything looks delicious. Oh my gosh. You could load more. So there's a ton of news. Wow, there's a lot. Avocado, I never used to like avocados. Now I love avocados. Okay, so this goes on and on and on. There's a ton of news. Let's go look at the career section. These guys look happy. Oh, look at this, a Shack. I just want to say hi, so let's say hello. All right, let's say team member job. Hi. All right. Just saying hi. All right, and then we're gonna write bye. It was nice talking to you. Nice talking to you too. That is so, I love it. Madison, so cute. Look, it's matching green with the Shake Shack logo. Okay, I'm closing out of the chat. All right, so we are back on the career section. There's a video here. You can look inside their culture. Team job, dream job. Very nice. Health and wellness, competitive pay and growth, 401k plan plus the company match, paid time off. This is great. Gosh, this website's really nice as far as makes you really want to apply, to be honest with you. All right, let's explore careers. Look, they're all so happy. Oh my gosh, I want to like find a job. Let's go. Click find career opportunities, accept. We're going to share this tab. Looks like it's an outside company. What is this? No, it isn't. Career opportunities. So it looks like we're just going to search. I'm going to click on anything. Restaurant team manager. So they start over here. Oh, let me close out of this. $15 an hour. I didn't even know they can get tips. So that's good to know. I got to start tipping them over here. Plus tips. All right, let's go down to, there's a lot of restaurant team managers. Restaurant team man, it's just the title. Category, team manager, shift, general. Let's go look at general manager. View jobs. So general manager, let's go look something on the East Coast. Let's go to Atlanta. Any salary? Look at all these benefits. There's a ton of benefits. I like how they list all of them. Probably more too. All right, so I don't see any salary on that one. Let's go to another one. No, I don't really see like salary. Close out of general managers. Let's search. I doubt they do any kind of like intern or internship, but you never know. Let's go. No. Search. All right, so you guys can take a look on your own, search for jobs, explore careers. And then lastly, I'm going to go back to the home page and let's check out their Instagram. On the bottom here, we have Instagram. Let's share this tab. We're going to follow them. They have 864K followers, a ton of followers here. Look at that funny picture. Delicious. And then we're going to go back, share this tab. Oops, did I go back? No. And now we're going to go to YouTube. Share this tab. We are
from iconic sites and activities to some of the best food in the world. There are lots of things to see and do in New York City, but which ones are really worth it? Earlier this week, we asked real New Yorkers to give us suggestions for the best things to do in the city, and now we're putting them to the test. We're in Madison Square Park, home of the original Shake Shack, and we're here asking New Yorkers for suggestions of their favorite things to do in the city. So far, we've gotten lots of suggestions. I'm very excited to open this box up and see what everyone has to say. We're going to use these suggestions to make a guide.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed this website review. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is it.